Miura Boiler was founded in 1927 and in the 70 years since has become one of the world's largest boiler manufacturers and I think a leader in the industrial market worldwide. Miura originally started manufacturing farming equipment but switched to boiler manufacturing exclusively in about the 50s. Miura historically, when we first started in the boiler industry, manufactured what I would call conventional boiler technology, fire tube boilers and large field direct water tube boilers. But the market in Japan, the industry in Japan with exceptionally high fuel costs and very limited space that the Japanese culture provides, Miura as a company was highly motivated to reevaluate the current boiler technology and look for a more efficient, more space-friendly or space-savings design. When I first joined Miura in January 2005, we were paying in the Southeast Territory that I cover about 75 cents a therm for natural gas. At the same time in Japan, they were paying over $4 a therm for the same fuel. So again, you have a market that's paying 5 times the cost for their natural resources and fossil fuels. You're going to have a market that's highly motivated to find the most efficient technologies out there. Whereas in the U.S. market, we've enjoyed for a number of years, although that's rapidly changing now, relatively cheap fuel costs. But again, that's not been the case in the Japanese market. So where you have a boiler market in the U.S. that I would call relatively complacent, you know, with technologies that frankly have been around 100 years, Japanese market, not the case. So Miura again basically started with a blank slate in the 70s, and they came up with the design I'm talking to you about today and the design we're bringing to market today. In the last 30 years of selling this product, Miura's attained 65% market share in Japan, with another 20% of the market using similar technologies. So basically now the market in Japan, you have 90% of the boilers in use today being the Miura design, or the small footprint modular vertical water tube boiler design. And I like to point out that I think that, you know, in 30 years to go from a new design to 90% market dominance, it didn't come because Miura had the best salesman or the best brochure or the best marketing campaign. It came because in 30 years of production, this boiler's proven itself as the most efficient and most reliable product on the market. And that's a trend we expect to see taking place in all our international operations over the upcoming years.